Hi, I'm Jonathon Marc Mendes Painted Love, and today I've teamed up with Dunelm to create some Christmas crafty projects. What could be more Christmassy than the perfect wrap gift? This year, I've decided to use Dunelm's fully recyclable paper alongside their fully recyclable ribbons, and I'm pairing it up with some natural elements that I foraged from my garden. The paper is fully gridded on the inside, which makes easy for measurement. The wrapping of this has to be really sharp because we're not going to be using any tape to stick this together, so it can go straight into the recyclable waste. Take your parcel, lay it on the grid. What we need is a 3/4 overlap to both ends. So that's going to take me to 4 squares in, and we're going to cut in a straight line the full length of the paper. Always make a fold at one end so you get a nice clean edge. And we're going to use the ruler and we're going to burnish this to make a nice sharp edge. And then we're going to offer up the box to the edge and roll the present in the paper. Snip away the excess. Just going to burnish the corners of the box all the way around, and that will give you your template. So we're going to now unfold, remove your parcel, and you can see where those marks are, and we're going to literally fold the same seams again and make that fold nice and tight with a wooden ruler. A plastic one would do, and we're going to wrap back up. And what you should see is that very first fold creates a wonderful seam along that corner. So this is where it gets a little bit fiddly. We've got to hold this down without tape. So fingers and thumbs, pushing the first lap down and making the triangles on the corners, making sure you get very tight into the seams. And I'll fold over like so. And it means I can work on the top. And that holds the other side down. You're going to use probably your fingernails just to burnish that down. It's nearly holding together without any tape. So let's do it the traditional way. Let's bring some ribbon in. I've got these lovely Dunelm ribbons. This one's kind of like a bit of garden twine. I really like it. I'm going to take a full length off, round the center of the parcel. We're going to go across, pull tightly. That holds the ends together. And then we're going to get a little bit contemporary about this. We're going to go round the parcel on lots of angles, all sorts of lovely zigzaggy ways. And that holds everything firm into place. And I'm going to tie a knot underneath. I'm going to trim them nice and neat. Now you can see the whole parcel is free of tape, but fully wrapped. Now time for the final flourish. We're going to go with the foraged items from the garden. And I'm going to think about my colourways with this. I've used the red paper, which red and green is always a good combination. And also when you're foraging, make sure you get things that are quite sturdy. This is ivy, and I know it will last a long while. I've got these beautiful sycamore seeds. They're already dried, so I know that that's going to look really great. And it also ties in beautifully with the natural paper. So if you're mixing and matching, it'll look really good. I think I'm going to go with the sycamore seeds. We're going to weave in the sycamore seeds. So it's a bit fiddly. And we'll just up and over each one of those ribbons and pull through. Bit tight, but you want some of those ribbons to go over the seeds and pull them through. And this will hold down your parcel. So here we have it. There's the matching present to go with. As you can see, they look quite tonal together, look great. Remember, once you've sent your present to your loved one, remind them that the whole thing is fully recyclable, all of the wrapping plus the embellishment. If you're a keen gardener like me, I'm going to shred the paper and put the natural elements into the composter, and then I'll have beautiful compost next year. So if you enjoyed today's project, don't forget to like, comment, or even better, subscribe.